You are mistaken. I'm the ultimate hero.
No, I am the first hero. Every hero has come from me.
You wear a toga? Well, no one wears a toga to look cool. They wear a cowboy hat.
I'm sorry, but who's got the power of the gods on their side?
Well, if you don't believe in the gods, that's pretty crap, innit?
Any of you guys seen a man in a suit pass through here recently?
You're the only one who's passed through here recently.
No one ever passes through here.
Have you seen a man? No, where's the guts? No, but seriously, I really need to find him.
Shh. Listen.
Listen to what?
The sound of nothing.
The sound of I hear nothing.
Nothing's hard to come by nowadays.
Okay, can you just help me find this guy, please?
The man you're looking for has gone through that curtain over there. Or you can stay here and enjoy the sound of nothing.
Right. Okay. Thanks. Hello? Is there anybody here? Is there any way out of this maze?
There's no way out. You're part of it now.
Who are you?
Take a seat. I'm Minos. But more importantly, who are you?
I don't know who I am.
I know exactly who you are.
Who am I?
You're a hero now.
I'm a what?
You'll need that when you find what you're looking for.
What am I looking for?
You'll know when you see it. You can leave now.